Imagine what you could do with all the hours you waste manually editing long recordings into dozens of social media clips. Now picture a smart tool that reads your long videos, finds the juice, and spits out ready-to-post shorts that actually look professional. Sounds dreamy, right? But I have been using something that gets me 10 times the output with way less effort, and it is called Vizard. Before you roll your eyes and think this is just another marketing hype piece, just hear me out because this is not about replacing creators. This is simply about letting creators focus on what truly matters, your ideas and energy, rather than trimming waveforms for hours on end. Here's the real problem. Creators have so much long-form content like podcasts, interviews, or webinars that are absolutely full of gold. However, turning that content into punchy clips for TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn is usually a full-time, soul-crushing grind. You either hire expensive editors, spend your nights editing, or use half-baked auto tools that create awkward, off-timing cuts. I tried a bunch of tools, but those options either cost a fortune, require steep learning curves, or simply do not understand virality. What Vizard does differently is twofold. It finds the moments that matter, and then it handles the entire distribution for you. First, its auto-editing engine scans your long video for highlights like storytelling peaks, laugh lines, and quotable sentences. It analyzes the content deeply to find the parts people will actually stop to watch, giving you the perfect starting point. Second, it doesn't leave you hanging with just raw files because you can set the cadence and the tool auto-schedules posts for you. You can even use the content calendar to plan, tweak captions, and publish across all your platforms simultaneously. That specific combination is a total game changer, especially if you are juggling recording, community, and trying to get some sleep. Now, other tools exist, but most either edit well or schedule well, rarely both, which means more overhead for you. With Vizard, I simply upload a long recording, choose the platform or style I am targeting, and let the AI run. In just a few minutes, it surfaces dozens of suggested clips that are ready for you to preview and approve. You get to adjust the crop for portrait versus landscape, tweak the text overlay style, and even change the thumbnail. Then you can queue them into the content calendar where the AI will stagger posts so you do not flood your feed. If you want manual control, it is easy to drag and drop, but if you want autopilot, just set your pacing and forget it. Let me walk you through my exact process, because this makes it feel real and not like some marketing spiel. I pick a long source file, like a recorded interview or a podcast, and upload it directly to Vizard. The interface is very clean, with no confusing menus or hidden features getting in your way. It takes a few minutes to analyze the video, and then it returns a whole batch of high-quality candidate clips. Each clip comes with a suggested caption and a preview that shows the emotional moments and tactical takeaways. Sometimes I need to tweak things if the AI misses a tiny bit of nuance, which is incredibly easy to do. Vizard's inbuilt editor is not trying to be a complex industry standard. It is intentionally simple and perfect for social media. Pro tip, definitely add captions, as the auto-captioning is rock solid and basically free engagement for your audience. Also be sure to crop mindfully, because what looks great on YouTube might not translate perfectly to vertical real aspect ratios. After I am happy with a batch, I use the content calendar, which is where the real time-saving magic happens. I drag my finalized clips into calendar slots, set my posting frequency, and hit schedule to set it and forget it. Vizard then publishes directly to my connected platforms or prepares the posts for my final approval. No more manual uploads or juggling multiple native apps, just one smooth, unified workflow for everything. And if you are worried about the quality or the clips feeling robotic, they really don't, because you are still the brain behind it. The AI is just the pair of hands doing the tedious cutting, meaning your voice and your jokes remain the star of the show. It is honestly the equivalent of having a professional assistant who has watched the whole episode and marked every great moment. Vizard keeps everything in one space and does not nickel and dime you for basic automation features. That means you can experiment more, repurpose old episodes, and test different headlines without getting charged every time. Here are a few quick tips. Always add captions, keep a batch of different thumbnails ready to test, and don't overpolish. Slightly raw, authentic clips often win more on social platforms than heavily overproduced, stiff-looking content. Use cases are truly endless, whether you are a podcaster, a webinar host, or a consultant looking to convert leads. It is not just about saving time, it is about being smarter with your content pipeline and staying top of mind. If you care about growing an audience and want to repurpose your best stuff without burning out, it is a smart bet. So, if you have a hard drive full of long recordings, upload one episode today and let the AI surface those 15 clips. Spend an hour tweaking and captioning, and you will be shocked how much easier it is to stay consistent. Alright, that is my 2 cents, and I hope this helps you get back to creating rather than just editing. I can even walk you through a real example next time, so let me know if you want to schedule a week of posts together. See you in the content calendar, and happy creating.